Just downloaded Brawl Stars and you have no idea what is going on. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break down Brawl Stars in the simplest way possible. So if you're completely new to Brawl Stars, this guide is for you. Brawl Stars is a fast-paced, multiplayer action game where you control a character called a brawler and fight against real players in short, intense matches. The main idea is simple. You pick a brawler, then enter a match, then fight other players, then complete the objective, then win rewards. There are different game modes like team battles, 3 versus 3, solo survival battles. Each mode has different rules, so the gameplay constantly changes. As you play more, you unlock new brawlers, upgrade them, and climb through trophy ranks to reach higher competitive levels. Now, let's learn the controls. Brawl Stars uses a very simple 2-joystick control system. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the movement joystick. Simply drag it in any direction to move your brawler around the map. You'll use this for moving, dodging enemy attacks, hiding behind walls, escaping danger, and chasing opponents. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the attack joystick. This is how you attack enemies. You can either tap it for auto-aim or drag it to manually aim your shots. Auto-aim is useful for beginners because the game automatically targets nearby enemies. However, as you get better, you'll want to manually aim because it's much more accurate, especially against moving targets. Now let's talk about your super ability. Under your attack button, you'll notice another button that slowly fills up during battle. This is your super. Every brawler has a unique super ability. For example, some brawlers deal massive damage. Some heal teammates, some stun enemies, and some create special objects on the map. To charge your super, you usually need to hit enemy players with your normal attacks. Once it's fully charged, you can activate it whenever you want. So the basic gameplay loop is move with the left joystick, attack with the right joystick, charge your super, use your super at the right moment, and try to survive while helping your team win. When you win matches, you earn trophies. When you lose matches, you may lose some trophies. As your trophies increase, you'll face stronger opponents and unlock more rewards. But that's only part of the progression system. As you keep playing, you can unlock new brawlers, collect coins and power points, upgrade your brawlers, unlock abilities, and climb higher trophy ranks. The more you progress, the more content becomes available. So ultimately, the goal of Brawl Stars is to improve your brawlers, improve your skills, win more matches, and continue progressing through the game's competitive system. Now let's talk about what you should actually do when playing your first matches, because most beginners make the same mistake. They rush straight into fights and get eliminated almost immediately. Instead, start simple. When the match begins, focus on learning movement first. Practice moving around walls, dodging enemy attacks, staying at a safe distance, and aiming your shots carefully. Don't worry about making flashy plays. Your goal is simply to survive longer and understand how battles work. If you're playing gem grab, focus on helping your team collect and protect gems. If you're playing Brawl Ball, focus on supporting your teammates and controlling space. And if you're playing Showdown, focus on staying alive rather than chasing every enemy you see. Before we continue, let's answer one of the most common beginner questions. Is Brawl Stars free to play? Yes. You can download and play the entire game for free. Nothing important is locked behind a paywall. However, Brawl Stars does offer optional purchases. The main premium currency in the game is gems. You can earn some gems through the game's progression systems, but you can also purchase them with real money. Gems can be used for things like skins, special offers, cosmetics, progression items, and certain premium rewards. You'll also find the Brawl Pass. The Brawl Pass provides additional rewards as you progress through the season. It can help players collect resources faster, but it is completely optional. The game also sells skins, profile cosmetics, sprays, pins, and other visual customization items. These mostly change how your account or brawlers look, and do not directly make you a better player. Many players reach high trophy levels without spending money at all. Now let's talk about some mistakes that almost every new player makes. The first mistake is relying only on auto-aim. Auto-aim is useful when you're learning the game, but as you face stronger players, manual aiming becomes much more important. The second mistake is rushing into every fight. Just because you see an enemy doesn't mean you should attack immediately. Another mistake is trying to play too many brawlers at once. Instead, spend time learning a few brawlers first. And finally, don't get discouraged by losses. Every match teaches you something about aiming, positioning, timing, or map awareness. The more you play, the more natural these skills become.